Hi dears, today I am making Kerala style chicken kurma. With two ingredients in this recipe help us to get soft and sufficient gravy to serve. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Here I'm adding 5 green chilies, but you can increase the green chilies according to your spice. And I'm adding curry leaves. Add 2 big onions sliced long and thin and add salt to taste and saute till the onion becomes soft. Here the onions have become soft. Now add 2 medium-sized tomatoes sliced. Close the lid and cook the tomatoes till it becomes soft. Now the tomato has been cooked well, become soft. Now time to add the spice powder. Add 2 teaspoons of dhania powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. The important thing in this chicken kurma is that you have to add less spice powder. Here I am adding 1.2 kg of chicken and 2 medium-sized potato. I am adding 2 medium-sized potato cut into medium size. Don't add big and small size potato. It may overcook or undercook. And add 1.5 cup of normal water. Close the lid, let the chicken and potato cook well. Now the chicken and potato has been cooked well. To get a soft and sufficient gravy, you need 1 cup of fresh coconut and 15 whole cashews. Make a fine paste. Add the cashew and coconut paste to the chicken gravy and mix it well. And add 2 teaspoons of garam masala. Close the lid and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes till the oil comes out. At the end, add curry leaves. Check the spice and salt. If you need more spice, add pepper powder. Delicious chicken kurma is ready. You can serve it with appam, idiyappam, roti or rice. Thanks for watching.